Hey everyone, welcome to our video on mastering JavaScript. If you're looking to become a better JavaScript developer, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to share some tips and tricks that will help you take your JavaScript skills to the next level. So, let's get started. Understand the fundamentals before diving into more advanced JavaScript topics. It's important to have a strong understanding of the basics. Make sure you understand concepts like variables, functions, and data types. It's also important to understand how JavaScript interacts with HTML and CSS. Use console.log for debugging. The console.log method is a powerful tool for debugging your code. It allows you to print variables and messages to the console, so you can see what's happening as your code runs. This can be incredibly helpful for finding and fixing errors in your code. Write modular code is code that's organized into small, reusable chunks. This makes your code easier to read, understand, and maintain. Use functions to break your code down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This will make it easier to debug, test, and reuse your code. Learn a framework. JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue can make it easier to build complex web applications. They provide a set of tools and features that can save you time and improve the performance of your applications. Take some time to learn one of these frameworks and see how it can improve your workflow. Use ES6 features. ECMAScript 6, ES6, introduced a number of new features to JavaScript that can make your code more efficient and easier to read. Features like arrow functions, template literals, and destructuring can save you time and make your code more readable. Stay up to date. JavaScript is a constantly evolving language, with new features and updates being released regularly. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest developments in JavaScript by reading blogs, attending conferences, and following industry leaders on social media. Conclusion: that's all for our tips and tricks on mastering JavaScript. Remember, becoming a great JavaScript developer takes time and practice. Keep learning, experimenting, and pushing yourself to try new things. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master of JavaScript. Thanks for watching.